Hello everyone and welcome back to Beef Reacts. Today we're checking out Chainsaw Man episode 4. And in our last episode we got to see Denji be a simp. And the episode before that, even more of a simp. God damn it. 1 second. I'm still blown out. Wow. That did nothing. I thought it would do something, and it did nothing. My bad. We've all been there. But he was a simp. Power led him into some BS, and now we're here. So let's jump into it. Oh my god. First, really? Really? Rack focus? So our first shot here, which is beautiful. The art style in this show is very, very well done. I don't need to stress that. You know that you've watched it, presumably. But it's not even. So we're zooming back while unfocusing the camera, bringing in our new. Ooh, god damn. I'm not just yelling into my microphone. You gotta understand. I'm a horrible person. So yes, I do wish Power was doing that to me. And I mean biting my head off. Or that. Oh my god. She's eating it. Is she about to eat out a bear? Oh, it's the head. I'm like, Power, you look like you're eating his ass. That's so cute.
猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
命は平等に軽い。たかが猫じゃん。じゃあなぜ走る？なぜ人間を探す？
Because you can be friends with the cat, and cats are friendly little monsters. That's why. Howard, come on. Come on, girl. We both know you're smarter than this. This is the show where the endings are different, not the beginning, so I will be watching every ending. Just so you know. Yes, it's to save Meowie. Oh my god, that's a fucking road rash. Girl, you didn't just eat it. You ate it to the point where you fucking need reconstructive surgery. Like, also, the directorial style of this show is absolutely phenomenal. Who the fuck would choose to do a POV shot there? Whoever directed this, and I should look that up because I don't know who did it, but they did a really good job. The flow is all. Why the PO? Oh my god. Good for you.
それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて気持ちがいい。
That's tough. Hey, your cat's still alive in the guts. Earth. I'm not gonna cap. Kinda dope. That's kind of a dope situation.
なぜわしを助けた？海を殺そうとしたのに。
You said you'd let me fondle your titties, and I'm gonna be honest with you. What you did was a dick move, but as far as I know, our deal is still on, and I am touching those fucking tits with the might of God, if possible. King!
バカみたいな理由じゃない。
No. No. Men have done more for less, and you can honestly say and be like, wow, men are fucking pigs, disgusting. Yeah. Yeah. We are everything under the sun. That's true. But goddamn, if I have not done dumb shit for the hope of touching titties, goddamn if I have not done and driven and been and oh, I want to go here, which is over an hour and a half away. It was closed. We've all been there, all right? We've all been out at 3 a.m. in the middle of Chinatown, fucking hoping to seal the deal, but then we didn't. All right? It happens to the best of us. Keep your heads strong, kings, and girls, keep holding out, because it makes it that much better. Wow, that sounds fucking horrible. Don't listen to me. I am the worst. I actually thought about what I just said, and I'm upset with myself. Thanks. You don't gotta say it like that. I'd rather you say you can touch my titties. Yo, bro's about to fucking cream his jeans. What the fuck? First off, this opening is so... Gents, here's the problem. In the post-production room, I'm gonna have to mute this anyway, so, like, skipping it is definitely the must... Like, I record and edit in batches, and when you have to cut out, like, not minutes, but, like, you have to mute sound and stuff, it's not hard. Alright, it's not that it's hard to do, it's just that I'm fucking lazy, and I'm fine with that, but goddamn, the song is a banger. The bass line, I can't play bass, but I will learn. Oh, question of the day. What band member are you into? Are you into the drummer? Are you into the bassist? Because there's a big, I don't know if there's a meme, but there's a thing about women who play bass. I don't know where it comes from, but she plays bass. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like a female drummer hits kind of hard. Or like the back right of the main pop star in like of a group. Like, she's not front and center in one of those K-pop groups. She's not the main one, the main idol, but she's the one that's kind of off to the side a little bit, and then like everyone still swoons over her because she's shy. I feel like that's where my pick's going. Let me know in the comments down below. Oh, that's just my fucking arm. I love his shoes. Yep. I don't care. You deserve each other. You're both butt fuck ugly. Damn. That line down the middle of his face really shows the unsymmetrical aspects of it, but honestly, I kind of fuck with it.
よく見ると可愛い顔。好みの顔してるから逃がしてあげる。
後ろの奴らは
殺す。
What are you? The worm virus? The worm devil?
じゃあ
Bro with one fucking hand is squaring up. God damn. Respect the fuck out of that.
気になる。
Oh, I don't know how he's living. He does give a new meaning to dumb as fucking bricks, doesn't he? Now imagine if you said that you would be his girlfriend and love him and kiss him. I firmly believe that if you offered this man pussy, he would take over the entire world and would die trying. And it's like that meme. I've seen what no pussy does for a man, but I've seen what it does, and it's far, far worse. And goddamn, is that not true for Denji?
嘘でしょ。こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの。
Well, you see, I used a lot of my energy to fight your husband, and now you came in like 5 minutes after the fight was over without exhausting yourself a fucking bit. And now I'm dealing with that. So that's your reason.
私と一緒に人間をすべて食べる夢を見ていた。無謀だけど崇高で素敵な夢。それを子犬程度にぶち壊された。殺すのはもったいない顔だけど。
Thanks.
死んでちょうだい。
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
くだらない。低俗な欲望を持つ奴に殺されたものね。
Shut the fuck up. It's not a trashy dream. Fucking loser. Bitches, not bitches. Because it's not a sex thing, gendered thing. It's just bitches. Bitches will hate on somebody for just wanting the bare minimum because they've had nothing. When you've had fucking nothing and your dream is just, you know, I want to be able to shower every day. Yeah, that's a fucking noble dream. I don't want to sleep on the floor tonight. Noble fucking dream. I want to have 3 meals today. Noble fucking dream. My dream is I want to get out of bed today. And honestly, if you're in that boat, good for you. Get out of bed. Fucking eat 3 meals. Do the self-care things that you deserve because you know what? Fuck this bitch. Cop that feel. Legally and consensually. But, cop it.
コウモリ。
バカみたいな理由じゃない。
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
I'm serious about touching titties. He's really just gonna put his head in. King? Right to the neck.
みんな俺にやること見下しやがってよ。復讐だの、家族守りたいだの、猫救うだの、ああだのこうだの、みんな偉い夢持ってていいな。じゃあ夢バトルしようぜ、夢バトル。俺がてめえをぶっ殺したらよ、てめえの夢船もむこといかな。燃えててどう
Yes! He's a fucking king! He might be dumb as bricks, but Denji really knows how to get the audience moving. Bro's missing. Bro's missing an arm. I know I pause too much, and if I pause too much during action scenes, yeah, let me know. I understand. I'll even back up during them so I don't miss any cool like sequencing. But like, Bro didn't even cauterize the wound. He's without a hand, and he's fucking running on all fours with it. He is fucking athletic. Shadow the fucking Hedgehog. Oh my! That's what he can do?
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。
You know, you would have been very useful like 10 minutes ago before I lost an arm, before I lost a hand. How do we do?
昼の悪魔、駆除確認。新人は生存者の救出保護と避難誘導。はい。姫野先輩は悪魔の警戒をお願いします。
よし。
Oh, they're fucking Loki.
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取。猫は動物病院で健康状態の確認。
Well, at least they gave a fuck about the cat. That I was not expecting that. Apple slices. Peek.
お前の腕拾っておいたぞ。
Thank you.
輸血したらくっついたらしい。本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな。てめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。俺は見てたぜ。本当に何も知らねえんだな。デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。
Oh, cool.
俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ。今回は皮膚を食わした。はあ、痛そう。悪魔は常に人の死を望む。それは魔人も同じだ。パワーはいいやつだぜ。監視カメラに巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されている。それにコウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われる家にはお前の血が大量に落ちていた。お前血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ。
Nah, we were going there to touch titties. He was gonna touch mine, I was gonna touch hers. You wouldn't get it, you're a fucking incel loser. It's fine.
理由はわからないが、お前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。さあ、どうでしたかな。
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。悪
悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。チェーンソーが頭に刺さっている。
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば、血の魔人もそれをかばったお前も処分される。だが死者の
I hate to say that I've been here, but yeah, no, I've been here. It's like, bro, just shut the fuck up, let me
い
eat.
なかったし、お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら、今回は見逃してやる。
Thanks, I don't care. We're not homies.
俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。俺はお前より先輩だし、社会正義も持っているつもりだ。俺の言うことを聞いていれば、お前は今の生活を守れるぜ。
Thanks.
どうだ、分かったら返事。
おう、頭に入れといてやら。安心してくれ。あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、しょぼい夢しかねえけどよ。てめえと同じぐらい、俺、マジでやっからさ。どーんと期待しといてくれ。
King.
とりあえず、敬語を覚えとけ。
おう、それも考えといてやるよ。
なあ、無罪だったじゃろ。わかったらさっさとこれを外せ。
Power, Power, we could be homies, but I remember your side of the deal here, fam. That's only fair, alright? He didn't get you killed.
本当にいいのかな。この
That sounds like a really fucked up quid pro quo. I take that back. Power, do whatever you want to do.
りんちゃんがいつか人を殺した時は見逃したアキ君の責任だぞ。
俺たちはデビルハンターです。悪魔でも魔人でも、使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵。利用するだけです。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
He walk with that jaunt. He jaunt with that strut. He jabs. I'm not gonna lie, that's some fucking precision. Precision. Why are my beard hairs looking like fuck? I hate it, I hate it, I hate myself, I hate it. But just and to like stop respect. Making himself look good for mommy.
どうぞ。
失礼します。
I saw you getting ready out there.
気づいたらいつの間にか巡回エリアの外に出てしまっていたそうで、そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。デンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
ご苦労様。でもデンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど、
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
I don't kill them now.
わかりました。
では失礼します。
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった？デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな？
I'm gonna be honest with you, Mikima, I think that was your name. I have known him for maybe 72 hours, and no, it was not his influence.
まさか何も変わってないですよ俺は。
I feel like having chainsaws coming out of your arms gotta be dope, though. Is this what you're looking like during the day? Before you put your hair up and look like an asshole? That was a fucking gorgeous shot. Wonder how they did that. It looks like it's it looks like a simple animation thing with transparency overlay scale. Yeah, and that cut. Okay. I see what you did there. It's so fucking stylized. It doesn't even have to be this stylized, but they chose to do it. And he's making coffee. Grinding up his own beans. Homie don't even have a coffee pot. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fuck with this heavy. Oh, and a way to smoke a stove. He just wants his breath smelling all types of shit. I don't know how his hair sticks up like that. You know, for the amount of blood that they get on their clothes, do you think they just keep like baking soda and club soda and shit like that on ready, like at all times? And how do those get the blood out? Is it because the blood is the oxygen? It oxygenates blood? Who doesn't love some fucking curry, baby? I love me some curry. Power?
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか。
私が早川くんを一番に信用しているからだよ。もう死ぬじゃん。おい、俺の最強だぞ。
I love it. I love it. They're both two fucking idiots.
ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。うん。そう。心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって言ってたから。
Doubt.
大丈夫だよ。
She wants blood.
人参。野菜を投げるな。てめえ、野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ、悪魔。
I get it. I get it. Who likes vegetables?
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。くせえんだよ。
うろはたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。くせえんだよ。
なんちゃうなら。人間は繊細じゃのう。なあ、にゃーこ。
Now, like, is power the women equivalent of a Discord mod? I argue the jury's still out. Oh, they're upset. I could tell they're upset. What gave it away was their faces of anger.
そう流せねえのか、悪魔は。野菜も残すし。あ、おいクソ悪魔、てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
Huh?
She's keeping her end of the bargain.
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから。揉め。ほれどうした。嬉しいじゃろ。揉め揉め。じゃが条件がある。胸を揉んでいい回数は3揉みじゃ。
3もみ。
にゃーこを助けたのが1揉み。コウモリを殺したので2揉み。そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3揉みじゃ。胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃが、うぬの頑張りに報いての3揉み。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Yeah, I'm gonna say it. No, because it's like I don't. It'd be infinitely funnier if there was a foot on screen. And the reason why it'd be infinitely funnier is that, as someone who's been on the internet for a very long time and knows the sick amount of fucks, I shouldn't say sick fucks with foot fetishes, I understand why they exist. It's because there's part of the brain, the part of your brain that registers like genitalia and sexual arousal, apparently is right next to where your brain also registers feet. So sometimes those wires get crossed. Cool, I get it, is what it is. Excuse me. I sound so sick these days. And stuffy. My goodness. So I get it, but I feel like she should be having a foot on screen here. Call me a sick fuck, I get it. But yeah.
Denji.
I think Power might be my favorite character. Or Power and Denji together. Love the eyes. Ooh. Honestly, I love the little end credits. I think they're very cute. I wish I could read Japanese kanji at all, so that way I could tell you who did what, but that ain't gonna happen. Ooh. Yeah, I fuck with it heavy. Oh, she hates veggies. She's in a maid costume! I feel like here's the worst part is that Power is such a... It came out in November of last year. I feel like Power is going to be an underutilized Halloween costume this year because this... Or did this come out in October of last year? Regardless, I feel like she's been underutilized as a Halloween character. Once... Dude, it's like... Guys, I'm gonna drop the persona for a second. Let's just take it off. Let's talk mano y mano. Do you know how difficult it is to like want to just sometimes say shit, but then think to yourself that you're not trying to actually be offensive to people? Like you're just kind of trying to say shit to be funny, but then people don't get it. But you don't want them to be upset. You just kind of want them to shut the fuck up. It's a hard position to be in, and I'm in it most days. Okay, well, back up. Yeah, so anyway, I think that once the Halloween sluts get a hold of Power, it's going to be a revolution for costuming. And it's like, the Halloween sluts have already found their way into some anime with Misa and, like, maybe High School DxD. But once the sluts find Power, because we're talking a little bit too tight, because it's already got the little devil ears that look like a bunny that they're gonna love. The hairstyle's cute, and then we're talking of a loose fitting but tight in the right areas fucking dress shirt with a tie that can go down into cleavage. You got yourself a fucking phenom Halloween slut outfit. That's all I'm saying. That's where I'm at. Just want to point that out. Thank you. Yeah, this all makes sense to me. This is making everything Denji is doing for these titties makes absolute sense to me, and I wouldn't fault him for it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind, just like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to answer the question of the day, which I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, who in a band would you want to date? What would their position be? And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace out.